What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another antique tractor power video. And well, in today's video we're going to be working on the International W4. And well, this is episode 6. So well, let's get into it. What do we want to do first of all? First of all, I think it's time we take off this radiator, because if we're doing a full rebuild on this thing, like, it's time for the radiator to come off. Speaking of which, let's see what bolts. So we have to, by the looks of it, does that just slide out then? Okay, I'm just, yeah, okay. So we have to undo this little bolt, probably. Undo this. And I think there's 2 bolts underneath. Yeah, well, let's go get the tools for that then, I guess. Alright, so we got the tool. We got the tool to get the 2 bolts out that are holding the bottom of the radiator on, and well, I guess let's get into it and let's start unbolting these bolts. Alrighty, so we got those 2 bolts out. Turns out there's 4 washers, 2 springs, and just those 2 bolts. I'll show you them real quick. It actually came out a lot easier than I thought, and the little, like, whatever it's called, the plug that, like, holds all the coolant in the radiator, yeah, that fell out on my head. So yeah, so we got 2 springs, 4 washers, and then these 2 bolts. So yeah, let's see how loose this thing is. Still feels tight. I think I have to pull up. Yeah, I think I have to pull this thing upwards. So we have this to take off, this to take off, and this to take off. Yeah. I have no idea. Anyways, I guess we'll start taking those off. Alright, so we got the bolts out. We removed this little long piece that was going here. Got the clamp off of this. Got loosened the clamp off of this almost. Got that thing off. So we just gotta get that one off and that one, and we should be good. So we'll see when we get those 2 hose things off. Alright. We got these little clamps out. Now it is time to see if she is ready to come out or just be a pain in the butt. I'm guessing it's going to be option number 2. Because if you know anything about tractors, you would know it's option 2. Okay. That clamp is going to be a big pain. Oh boy. Kind of knew this was going to happen. Alright, so after a very long time of struggling, the radiator is off. I just put all these pieces back on because, like, I don't want to lose anything. So, yeah, that's smart, I guess. Put this back on. This was the biggest pain out of this whole entire thing. Well, I guess the whole entire radiator part. This little piece was such a bugger to get off. It's like, you just had to yank it so much and, like, do a bunch of crap. Oh, that was annoying. This one came off like a dime though, so that was good. But yeah, that's all I guess for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, I guess we'll see you in the next one. And make sure to come back to more antique tractor power videos, because we do all kinds of things like take tractors apart, restore them, put them back together, and farm with our antique equipment. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one, boys. I just repeated the same thing. See you later, boys.